we've got an old Terex brand square shooter. This is a rough terrain, or called a rough terrain forklift. The idea is obviously you can travel over rough terrain and have the forklift bits here. This is used a lot in our area for roofing companies. You can use it in construction when you're building something. You can drive to the edge of the building and bring it to the roof or bring it to another level. But I wanted to show you this one, not because it's just kind of a interesting vehicle that we don't see here too often. We normally get pettibones and whatnot, and these are very similar. But this one's in here for axle maintenance. It's no longer owned by United Rentals, but I believe this other company just picked it up. And what we've got here is a lack of maintenance on the axles from its past service life. And what we're dealing with here is the fluid hasn't been changed in the axles. And what has happened is the seals have gone out, and also the brakes are actually on kind of a built into the end housing here. This has got a series of clutches and discs. They're a wet brake type, and this has caused all the brakes to wear out on it. And also what these are is these are gear reduction hubs on here. These are very heavy duty axles, and what you've got here is the output from the differential comes here, and then we got some planetary gears here, and that transmits it to the outer hub area here, which then brings it out to this guy, which is where the wheel is attached. So just thought I'd kind of show you this and let you see what all the hub end looks like when it's all torn apart here. So here's another one, just, you know, the big bearings and whatnot. A large, must be a sun gear here. But yeah, just kind of interesting when you get to work on, look at this stuff, and here's what a hub looks like all together. And there's this one uses kingpins and whatnot on there, which is pretty much what all these heavy duty ones use. And here's one of the tires. I'll just show you into the cab a little bit here. See, good view. It's got some controls on the right hand side there for the outriggers and whatnot to stabilize it. These only use front outriggers because the rears really don't help you too much. And also this boom can extend quite a ways out. So, hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.